Little Giant merchandise collector trucks are ideal for transporting medium to heavy-duty loads. The shelves are formed from 12-gauge steel and welded to structural angle corners, with welded shelf reinforcements on all shelves longer than 36 inches. They are available in two different shelf configurations, with a 1.5-inch shelf lip for retaining smaller items, or with flush edges for sliding heavier items on and off. The raised offset handle is at a comfortable push height and includes a cross brace handguard for added safety. These all-welded units are shipped set up and ready for immediate use. They feature a durable powder-coated finish and are available with 2 swivel and 2 rigid casters with a variety of wheel types for different floor conditions and load capacities of up to 3,600 pounds. Treadlock wheel brakes are available on the swivel casters. These engage the face or tread of the wheels to help prevent unwanted movement when loading or unloading. Also available is a floor lock option for a more positive locking action.